Hello, lovely people, and welcome. As that familiar crispness returns to the air, and we find ourselves craving the comfort of simmering soups and warm baked goods, our kitchens truly become the heart of the home. It's a season of gathering, of warmth, of comfort, but creating that feeling doesn't require a huge, expensive makeover. Today, we're going to explore 6 beautiful, simple ways to invite that cozy harvest magic into your kitchen, transforming it into a stylish and welcoming haven that celebrates the very best of autumn. It's all about those thoughtful little touches. Let's begin. Let's start with the grand stage, your kitchen island. Picture a stunning, artisanal wooden bowl, its rich grain telling a story. Inside, nestle a collection of creamy white mini pumpkins, delicate moss, and rustic pine cones. Now, for the magic. Imagine weaving a strand of tiny copper wire fairy lights throughout. As dusk falls, it casts the most enchanting glow. It's not just a centerpiece, it's a warm, sparkling welcome to the season. Now, to draw the eye upward, let's add a touch of drama. Find a tall, elegant ceramic vase, something with a simple, beautiful shape. Fill it with striking faux branches of deep, rust-colored maple leaves. This single element adds incredible height and impact, making a sophisticated statement without creating clutter. It's that effortless, magazine-worthy touch that feels both natural and incredibly chic. To ground our beautiful centerpiece, let's lay down a foundation of texture. Imagine a simple table runner in a classic, earthy plaid. The warm tones of brown, cream, and orange instantly signal autumn comfort. The fabric itself adds a layer of softness to the hard surface of the island, making the entire space feel more inviting and thoughtfully put together. It's a simple swap with a huge payoff. Let's move to a space we visit every single morning, the coffee bar. This is where we can create a small moment of daily joy. Bring out your favorite artisan mugs, the ones that feel good in your hands. Display a curated collection in those gorgeous fall colors, a deep olive green, a warm burnt orange, a creamy white. Seeing them every morning makes that first cup of coffee or tea feel like a special, cozy ritual. Here's a secret to making your counter look instantly more high-end. Decant your favorite fall syrups into beautiful, clear glass bottles. Whether it's pumpkin spice or a rich maple, pouring them into these elegant dispensers with simple, minimalist labels turns an everyday item into a piece of decor. It's a functional, beautiful detail that makes your coffee station feel like a gourmet cafe. The final charming touches are what make a space feel personal. Next to your coffee maker, place just one perfect little white mini pumpkin. Then add a small glass jar filled with cinnamon sticks, beautiful to look at and perfect for stirring into a warm drink. It's these tiny, intentional details that whisper autumn and make the whole corner feel complete and incredibly charming. To decorate your counters without them feeling cluttered, think in layers. Lean two beautiful wooden cutting boards of different sizes against your backsplash. The warmth of the wood is instantly inviting. In front, place a small vase with just a few sprigs of fall foliage. This simple layered look adds so much character and texture, turning a functional corner into a stylish, rustic vignette. A tiered tray is a decorator's best friend, especially for small spaces. Find a lovely 2 or 3 tiered tray in a rustic wood or metal finish. Now, have fun styling it. Add some mini pumpkins, drape a beautiful wooden bead garland, and tuck in a neatly folded dish towel with a subtle fall pattern. It's a perfect, contained display that adds height and personality to any corner. Let's elevate the everyday essentials. Swap out your regular hand and dish soap for beautiful amber glass dispensers. The warm amber color is the epitome of fall elegance. Next to them, trade your plastic utensil holder for an earthy stoneware crock filled with your wooden spoons. Suddenly, even the most practical items by your sink become part of your beautiful, cohesive autumn decor. If you have open shelving, this is your chance to shine. It's like a canvas that you can repaint each season. For autumn, bring your earthy tone dishes to the front. Stacks of creamy white, beige, or slate gray stoneware plates and bowls create a serene, warm, and cohesive look. It's a simple edit that makes your entire kitchen feel calmer and perfectly curated for the season. The secret to making styled shelves feel alive is to add a touch of nature. You don't need much. Tuck a single, small, pale green gourd between a stack of bowls. Place a few sprigs of dried wheat alongside your glassware. These tiny, organic touches break up the uniformity of the dishes and bring a whisper of the outdoors in, making the whole display feel more authentic and charming. To capture that quintessential golden autumn light, introduce some amber-colored glass onto your shelves. A few vintage-style bottles or simple glass jars look absolutely magical when the light hits them. They cast a warm, honeyed glow that fills your kitchen with a cozy, nostalgic feeling. It's a simple addition that adds a rich, beautiful layer of color and light. Don't forget the small but mighty space on your windowsill. Placing a beautiful candle here can transform the mundane task of washing dishes into a lovely sensory experience. Choose a luxurious candle in a scent like pumpkin clove or apple cider, housed in a beautiful amber jar. The gentle flicker and incredible fragrance create a small moment of peace and comfort right where you need it. Every room needs a touch of life, and the kitchen is no exception. A small, hardy plant on the windowsill does wonders. Picture a little succulent or a trailing ivy in a rustic terracotta pot. It adds a pop of natural color and life against the backdrop of the window, thriving in the sunlight and bringing a fresh, organic feel to your cozy autumn kitchen. Sometimes the simplest statement is the most beautiful. For a timeless, classic look, just arrange a neat little row of 3 mini pumpkins on your windowsill. Choose them in varying shades of muted orange, cream, and green. It's clean, it's simple, and it's effortlessly charming. It's a nod to the season that is pure, simple, and always perfect. For your dining table or breakfast nook, let's create a centerpiece that feels both elegant and inviting. Take a long, simple wooden tray or plank. Arrange 3 pillar candles in varying heights down the center. That's it. The simplicity is what makes it so stunning. It creates a warm, flickering focal point for meals without being too fussy, encouraging long conversations and cozy dinners. Finally, let's add a layer of softness with textiles. Swap out your everyday placemats for ones made of a rich, textured linen in a warm rust or deep espresso color. The color and fabric instantly make the table feel cozier and more dressed for the season. Paired with simple white plates and maybe some gold cutlery, it creates an elegant table setting that's perfect for any autumn meal. And there you have it. It is truly amazing how these simple, intentional touches can completely transform the atmosphere of your kitchen, turning it into a space that feels like a warm embrace. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection, but about creating a home that reflects the beauty of the season and brings you joy. I hope this has left you feeling inspired to play with your own decor and create a cozy haven you'll love all season long. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy decorating!